working on civil engineering projects with AutoCAD Civil 3D and have DRX data reference files. These connect your drawings to shared design data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these AutoCAD Civil 3D data reference files. My experience tells me that some DRX files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A DRX file is a data reference created by Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D, a design and documentation software for civil engineering. It acts as a pointer to external project data, such as surfaces or alignments. Users interact with DRX files to manage complex projects and ensure data consistency across teams. This file is structured as an XML-based pointer, not containing the raw geometric data itself, but rather the location and state of that data. This design allows for efficient project management, reducing file sizes and preventing data duplication by linking to a single source of truth for shared elements. The native handling utility for DRX files is Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D by Autodesk Inch. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows can't load full engineering assemblies, so detailed study requires specialized CAD platforms. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your DRX file and choose Open With. Test Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If your DRX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your DRX problem. First, using in Civil 3D. Launch Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D and access the Data Shortcuts panel in Toolspace. Use Set Working Folder to point to your project directory containing DRX files. The references appear in the panel, allowing you to create data shortcuts in current drawings, linking to source design data from team members. Next, updating references. When source designs change, update DRX references in dependent drawings using the Data Shortcut menu Synchronize function. Civil 3D detects changes in source objects and updates linked references, maintaining design consistency. Set up regular synchronization schedules for active projects, ensuring all team members work with current design data. Finally, project organization. Organize Civil 3D projects with clear folder structures separating master drawings containing source objects from working drawings using DRX references. Use Vault or BIM 360 for cloud-based project management with proper version control. Document the project structure for team members to understand DRX reference relationships and update procedures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.